Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we're learning to use Paste Special to copy and paste selective cell properties into our worksheet. On this sheet, we're going to paste formats into the table headers. In the cells below, we'll paste the cell formula and the cell value, and on the bottom row, we'll use various Paste Special operations to perform simple mathematical functions. Alright then, let's get to it. To get started, we select the cell, then copy. You can right-click on a mouse or just use the keyboard shortcut keys Ctrl-C. Use the dialog arrow in the clipboard group to see all items currently copied to the clipboard. The Paste drop-down in the Home tab actually provides several paste options, and at the bottom we have Paste Special. On a quick note, you can hover over the icons to reveal all the paste options available. And a quicker way to paste special would be to select cells to paste, right-click, select Paste Special. We'll start with formats. To paste the cell formula, select the cell to copy. In your Paste Special cell, you right-click, select Paste Special, then Formulas. We can repeat the steps to paste the cell value as well. Just copy, right-click, select Paste Special, then Values. And you can always confirm the exact cell content by checking the formula bar. We can perform the operations in the bottom row by selecting them from the options available. To paste a special addition operation, for example, just select the cell, copy, right-click, select Paste Special, then Add. For the subtract operation, select the cell, copy, right-click, select Paste Special, then Subtract. Same goes for multiply. Then, we can manually increase the column width to reveal the cell value. To learn more about column properties, check out this video from our Excel for Beginners series. For the final operation, divide, select the cell, copy, right-click, select Paste Special, then divide. You can right-click again and select Format Cells to increase the decimal places and reveal the actual cell value. Looks good. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next lesson.